Hello guys, welcome to Naija News and Entertainment. As usual, we have news and gist happening all over social media. Today we have from a Nigerian man who shared a photo of how to get a sugar mummy book he found in his father's wardrobe. A Nigerian man took to Twitter to share photos of a how to get a sugar mummy book he found in his father's wardrobe. According to @Trovin1, he found the book while helping his father unpack an old wardrobe for a new one. The boy, who is still in shock of the content of the book, revealed that he is in search of the author. See what he wrote below. So I was helping Daddy pack out stuff from the old wardrobe today because he got a new one made, and boom, these books fall out of an old file. I'm still in shock of the content of the book. Please, who is Jide Taiwo? Guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button to get a notification when a new story drops. Thank you.